Adventurers, we have stopped at a place along old Route 66 that I've been wanting to stop and see for a long time. And I'd love to be sitting there at this counter eating right now. But we are at the U-Drop Inn in Shamrock, Texas on old Route 66. I'm in the cafe part of it right now, so I'm going to skim around and let you see a small portion of it. Just look at this detail of this restoration. Absolutely just immaculate in every way, even down to the waitress there. The pink cowboy hat with the place to hang your hats on each of the booths. Original tables and booth seats. These old windows. Just beautiful in every respect. Someone's even working on a puzzle here. Some of the old pictures. Fruits and juices, 15 to 25 cents. 75 cents for breakfast. You can get dry buttered toast for 20 cents. Order bacon or sausage for $1. That's just unbelievable pricing. Look at that old cash register, National Cash Register. Just really well done. These colors are absolutely amazing. And even into the old school bathroom here. Look at the detail. Imagine if these walls could talk, what all they would say. We'll walk outside, adventurers, get a few videos of the outside, and we'll come back in a second. But looking at the gift shop, with the old post office boxes. Pioneer West Museum. Old school doors. Detail on the ceiling. Now we're outside, adventurers. We're going to let you see what some of the outside of the building looks like. I hope I'm capturing some of it. Look at the signage. The old Texas Route 66 emblem. These colors. Down the side of it here. Even the U-Drop Inn is uptown. They've got Tesla charging stations on site. Pretty cool. But this is probably the most iconic shot that you'll get to see was the Conoco Tower. This thing is adorned with neon. I wish I was coming through here at night so I could actually see it. But the pictures I've seen under neon is just drop dead gorgeous. An auto laundry and lubrication area. Got an old Studebaker truck in here with a puppy dog and a co-pilot. And this is the service station side with the old gas pumps. And this is a mock-up, everyone, of what the inside of the filling station would have been. All the way down to the old radio that's on the filing cabinet back there. A dual set of pumps. Another shot of the building. And a cool little bench, Route 66 bench to sit on, get your picture taken. A Texas marble statue. Pretty cool. I hope you've enjoyed this quick visit to U-Drop Inn and filling station here and we'll be getting back with you with some more places on down the road, explorers. But for now, thank you so much and have a great day.